aubergine, eggplant, brinjal, whatever you call it. Today we're going to be making this fantastic red bell pepper and eggplant, that's what I'm going to be calling it, fry. Got some lovely Indian spices in there. It takes no time at all and it is beautiful. Healthy, vegetarian, and of course vegan. Okay, so we've got one eggplant here, which I've cut into this kind of chip size. I've got one red bell pepper, which I've done the same to, roughly the same size. One onion sliced, one tomato cut nice and chunky, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Here I've got some long chilli. Now, if you're using the small, really hot ones, you don't want that amount, that's quite a lot. These are quite mild, but beautiful, so that's why I'm putting that amount in. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. And then here, what I always call the big 4, 2 teaspoons of the following: turmeric, chili powder, coriander, and cumin. Let's get to the cooker. This is easy and it's beautiful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment, and all that stuff, will ya? So I've got some oil in my pan here. Now I'm using a coconut oil, but you can use any oil that you want. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. In go the 2 teaspoons of the cumin seeds, followed by our sliced onion. And we're going to stay on a high heat. It's pretty much high heat all the way with this one. 3 minutes, see you then. Very simply, we're now going to add in the eggplant. Like I say, cut into these kind of fry or chips, as we say in the UK, size. Salt, high heat, 4 minutes, keep it moving. So that's 4 minutes on this high heat. Got a nice little bit of colour on them now. They're starting to cook beautifully. We're now going to drop in the 1 red pepper, bell pepper. We're going to drop in all of those chilies. And like I say, these chilies are not crazy hot. If you're using a really hot chili, you probably want to use about half the amount, I would say. We're now going to add the garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of that, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add that 1 tomato that was cut, you know, nice and chunky. And I just want to go now just for 2 minutes, keeping this moving around all the time on this high heat. Yeah, just a couple of minutes to keep it on the go. We're now going to add our powders. Let's take another look. 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. In that goes. If you wanted, you could be using a curry powder that you already have maybe. Staying on this high heat. Little mix. Staying on this high heat, little mix, little splash of water. About 3 or 4 more minutes on the high heat. That water's just going to really bring it all together now. See you then. and that water has just evaporated out. Just gonna grab here a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Throw that in the mix, give it a stir. This is done, it's beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Check it for salt, it's gonna be great for me. Let me get that on the plate. And there you have it. Like I say, that is so simple, so tasty. Lovely with some rice or with some roti or chapati or something like that. I hope you enjoy that. See you soon. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.